Guys, imagine being able to create authentic, social media-ready UGC ads for your product in just a few minutes. No actors, no editing software, no complicated production process. Just an AI tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Sounds interesting, right? Today we're going to put that to the test. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're checking out MakeUGC AI, a platform that uses artificial intelligence to create videos in a natural, relatable style. Instead of doing a polished ad, the idea here is to see how close AI can get to natural-looking content you'd actually come across in your feed. By the end of this tutorial, I'll have 3 complete UGC-style video ads for 3 different audiences – athletes, gamers, and students. And I'll show you how I created each of them step by step. Stick around, we'll see how well this tool actually works for social media content. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump in and see what this AI powerhouse is all about. So, my friends, let's dive into MakeUGC AI. It's a platform that lets you create content with the help of artificial intelligence. UGC stands for User-Generated Content, meaning it's designed to look like authentic, casual content created by real people. We'll specifically explore one of its key features called Product in Hand. That's exactly what I need right now, because I've just launched a new energy drink. I want to promote it through social media videos using this feature. Guys, the drink is called Din Dan, and with just 3 clicks, I can create a realistic photo featuring it. I'll upload it and then generate characters holding my product. I want to make them thematic. I'll also get to write the script that the avatars will actually voice in the video. For my first example, I picked a fit, athletic woman in gym clothes. She's the perfect representation of Din Dan, folks, an energy drink made for athletes. It gives a great energy boost after a workout. I'll click Generate, and the AI creates visuals of the character with my drink. Let's check the results. The first one isn't very good. The woman is holding the can incorrectly, and it looks unnatural. The second attempt is a bit better, folks, but the can still seems off. The third version is exactly what I wanted. The pose looks natural, the can is in the right place, and the overall vibe feels realistic. I click on this option and select Choose an image. Here I can add the script for the character. Let's use this phrase, guys. Keep in mind there is a 100-character limit for what the character can say. There is also a section for the scene description, where I can specify what should appear in the background or environment. Next, I select Turn to Talking Actor. I can either choose an existing project or create a new one. Since this is a completely new product, I'll create a brand new project, folks. I review the available settings, make any adjustments, and then click Confirm. Now we just wait for the video to generate. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks. And then we check the result.
Just finished my workout. Din Dan gives me perfect energy boost. Power up your potential.
Not bad at all, guys. The can is perfectly in the character's hand, the athlete looks convincing, and the script works well for this type of audience. This is already a ready-to-use ad for social media. Now let's move on to the second case. And let's create one more video with the Product in Hand feature, folks. I'll upload a gamer image. They are also a big part of the target audience for energy drinks, since they need focus and stamina during long gaming sessions. And again, I'll use the image with the energy drink can. I'll choose a 16:9 ratio so that the result will be a widescreen video. First, we generate still images, guys. This step usually takes no more than 2 minutes. The first image looks strange. The can is way too big, almost cartoonish. The second image is not bad, but again the cans are positioned in an odd way that doesn't look natural. But the third option works well. The proportions are good, the character looks like a gamer, and the can looks like it actually belongs there. So folks, I click Select an image, and again create the script the character will voice and describe the scene. I do this under the same project for the energy drink. I also check how many credits this will cost. Once I'm ready, I generate the video. Here's the final version.
Gaming session with Din Dan. Keeps me focused and alert. Level up your game with Din Dan.
And this is honestly a pretty decent result, my friends. The can is clearly visible. The character is full of gamer vibes. Colorful, expressive, sitting in front of a monitor. And sure, you can see some glitches here and there, but I think that can be fixed with more generations. This is exactly the kind of content that feels right for gaming communities on Twitch or YouTube. Now let's create the third UGC case, folks. This time we'll focus on students, because students are also a key target audience for energy drinks. They often need focus and alertness while studying, especially late at night. I'll upload the can image once again, and the platform generates a new set of visuals. The first one looks a bit unnatural, guys. The can doesn't look like it's being held properly. The second image, again, the can looks oversized and awkward. But the third image works perfectly. It shows a student sitting at her laptop with a can of Dindan next to her, a realistic and relatable scenario. I select this image, add the script, and describe the scene. Then I generate the video. Here's the result, folks.
Late night studying? Dindan keeps me alert and focused.
This one feels on point for a student audience. And just like that, in less than 20 minutes, I now have 3 full videos showing how the tool handles different scenarios. Alright, my friends, let's wrap things up with some final thoughts. At the end of the day, MakeUGC AI is about experimenting with creative options and saving time. Whether you're a content creator or entrepreneur, it offers a way to put together realistic-looking UGC videos without too much production effort. So, folks, what do you think? Would you give it a try? Which audience would you create your first video for? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.